So we do have a link to this training. I'll just put it on the chat too. So if you like miss something, you can open this link. This is for the introduction to Pawsey. Sorry, introduction to the Unix shell. So I'll start from you can skip the setup part. We just go to the introduction to the shell. So I believe I have my terminal here. This is my account for my Unix. So okay, so shell is like the non-graphical interface. So yeah, because commonly we use graphical user interface or GUI for the simplicity, and then the fall short in the efficiency for large repetitive tasks is this is where the Linux shell come in. So the bash shell is what we are using here. It's a powerful command line interface essential for complex tasks and it's crucial fields for high performance computing. And the first one you will have like prompting. So it will start with $. But it may vary, depends on your terminal. In my case, I don't have that $. In front. And then the first command that we learn is we use ls. ls is to show the directory in the folder. In my case, I only have bin folder after I logging in. And then, for example, you get a typo. It might happen. For example, you wrongly type to KS, and yeah, it's not found. And then here, we're gonna download the file that we're gonna use for the training. So you can go directly to here. You can curl from this web link. So curl command is to download a file from a link via a terminal. So usually we just click download on the system or on the download button, right? But instead, there's no GUI here. It's on the terminal. So how can we download the file? We use curl. So we just copy paste this one and and it will download. To see if the download is successful or not, you can type ls to show. Yes, that's correct, Alison. So when we have this one, the shell lesson, data zip, if you already can see this zip file, it's mean you already successful download. Have anyone else any issue with downloading the shell lesson data.zip?
So I think Amber is just saying that it's going a bit fast.
Oh, okay, sure. No, we cannot use sudo in this isotonics. Yeah. Okay, I will slow down for Amber. Yep.
Yeah, I guess maybe just for this
Yep.
starting bit.
So if you need any software that required to download, usually you contact the IMT because but pretty much all the things they Pawsey already have the system. For example, like Python, Unzip, mostly the common software is already installed by default with Pawsey. So yeah, make sure after you curl the file, you can check if it's already successfully downloaded or not by typing ls. So if you see there's the file shell lesson data.zip, it's mean the download is successful. And we can go through the next step. So after you curl, you ls and see there's the shell lesson.zip, And now it come to the unzip shell lesson dataset. So you don't need to install, you don't need to run the last command, the sudo apt install unzip, because the Pawsey already installed it for you. So you just need to run this command, just copy paste. You can click also this command, copy to clipboard. And this command, the unzip, is for unzipping the zip file. So let's have a try. So once you paste the unzip shell lesson data.zip, uh, it will show you what file that is already unzipped. To check again, you can type ls. If you already found a same name but without the zip, it means it's already unzipped correctly. Have anyone any issue for unzipping the shell lesson data.zip? If anyone have any issue, please let me know in the chat. All good? Then I'll proceed to the next step. So the getting started is already done. Next, this is just a recap. And we'll start for navigating files and directories. So yeah, in our file system, we need to see like which folder are we in. To check the current working directory, we can type in pwd in the terminal. It will show you which directory are you in currently. So in here we can, for example, pwd, and it seems home and my name. This might be your username when you log in with the training account. Yeah, in this example, for example, it show user slash Nelle. So yeah, PWD is stands for print working directory. Do you have any question for this command? No issue? Okay, then I'll go next to the next one. So yeah, we have a command now for getting help. For example, you don't know what is the command. For example, ls, you don't know what to do. You can type ls min help. This is to show what is the extras that can you do with the ls. I think pwd also. Yeah. For example, you don't know what is pwd. What did it do? You can type pwd dash help. So that way you can see to what is the pwd for. For example, this one is print the name of the current working directory. So it will be useful for you guys if you want to know what is the extras that the command can do it, or if you doesn't know, okay, what is the command for? Anyone have any issue with the help, or is it clear to use the help command? All good? Okay, I'll go next. So we will go to the exercise 1. We can try here. What does the command ls do when used with minus L option? And if you use both minus L and minus 8's option. So we can have a try first in our command line. Oops. So if you test this one, L minus L 8's together, we can see this is the permission. Later we will discuss this one, so don't worry about it. And we can see like more detail, how big is the file and what is the when we download the file and what is the file. Yeah, and the minus L option make a long listing format, which is why show more explanation in detail rather than if we just use ls, we just show like this. But with minus L, it show the more specific about the permission and the other things. And for, yeah, minus 8 is for the human readable function. So instead of 5.3, we use like K rather than the 5369. So we can try this one. If you see there's a difference here, if we just use the minus L, it show like this. And if we put the minus 8, like the previous command, it will show, they just shorten to make it like, okay, 450K. So it's like more human readable command. Um, Introduction to, you mean the this link or for specific for the exercise one? I've put it on the chat previously. Yeah, I think, thank you, Metus. Yeah. And now we can also try to listing the in reverse chronological order. And you can have a try first. For example, with by adding minus t. Just test it on your terminal. You can use the ls minus r to show the in the reverse chronological order. And you can also try this command, the minus rt, and have a look. Oops. And here you can see what is the difference between the two commands for sorting the file. Does anyone else have any issue for this one or any question? You can feel free to pop it in the chat. Okay, all good.